So what we have in here is flour, yeast, water, and salt, and a little bit of sugar. Warm water and pour it in here. And you're gonna want to seal it shut. Then just mix it around. So you're gonna want to let it sit for an hour. So it's been an hour. The yeast should probably make it bigger, so we have it pretty thick, which is pretty good. I found out the bread's too sticky, so I'm gonna add a little bit of flour. So I've got the flour. So I'm gonna heat up the pan. A little bit. Just gonna put a little bit more flour, so it's not as sticky. You're gonna want to mix it up so it's just right. You're gonna try to not want it to stick on your hand, but it's a little hard because I had it all sticky, so and I had to add some flour, so yeah. So I'm gonna go put some butter on this. I got some butter right here. You should definitely try this. This is really good. They got an odd shape going here. So you want a spatula. Oh. I'm gonna go get a plate. Now we got it cooking. Look at this. It's literally sizzling so much right here. You really want it to sizzle like that. That's a good sign. Good. Also, this honey butter and goes really, really good with this. But we don't have any honey. Another really good thing is if you don't have any honey, syrup and butter. Oh, that makes it really good. I'm glad we might have burnt that one, but no, we actually got it just perfect. We got that, and then we got that. That's the pancake. Go in your fridge. Oh no, I forgot. We don't have any honey or syrup. We would go good with it. Sugar? I don't really know, but that's the bread. Got 1, 2, 3, little 4.
And remember, kids, always get adult supervision.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace.